Okay, this is Team ShikkhaSetu, and we presenting our today's speech deck. So first of all, we look around the target problem. So in problem statement, we found that the rural primary schools are suffering from poor and unstable internet facilities. They have some hardwares, but these remain unused. And who are affected by this problem? Almost 10 million rural primary schools are affected by this problem. And from the empirical studies of CPD, we found that about 54% primary school in Thakurgaon and 59% school in Nilphamari are lack of internet facilities. And why this solution fails? Because of the internet dependency. Okay, the here is our solution, the ShikkhaSetu box. As we said, if there is no internet, there will be no problem. So we found this. So from our solution, we will install a problem. We will install a box which is ShikkhaSetu box, and there will be a Raspberry Pi, and this there will be some content from NCTB. We will collaboration with NCTB, and they will prepare the content, and we generate this in rural primary school. And we there are almost six there is about 65,000 primary school all over the country, and we've thought that about if there are 50% of primary school are facing internet issues, then the market size will be 32,000, and we hope that almost 8,000 primary school we will connected by 2030. And the SDG alignment, we there SDG, the main SDG is SDG 4, which means the education, and in SDG 4.1, which basically represent the uh, which basically represent the ensure of quality full education for in primary ensure the quality education in primary school level. So here we can see the two types of impact, the long term and short term impact. In our business model, we basically generate our revenue from setup cost and annual subscription, and the school, NGOs, and the government will pay us. Here's some the profit logic. We validated our project by two category. First one is pilot project, and another one is pilot survey. So we already conducted the pilot survey from 300 to 70 primary school teachers, and here you see the result of the pilot survey. You can understand the result basically respond negative. So after that, we will go to our pilot project. We will conduct it a pilot project between 2026. We targeted about 10 primary school we can run this project, and our KPI is contract renewal, and the operation success is 95% and 85%. And our main competitive advantage between Teach for Bangladesh is the Teach for Bangladesh basically conducted a fellowship or service program, and they basically solve the question of what means what the student should learn, and we basically serve product along with some services, and we solve the question of how means how the student should learn impactfully. And this is our team, and this is our roadmap by between 2030. And we already conducted this pilot survey in 2025, and in 2026 we will run a pilot project, and we will collaborate with Ministry of Education. And in 2030 we want to scale up it 8,000 school. And that's all our today's presentation.